One tiny Excel mistake can completely change your final report. Let's see if you can catch it. Welcome to the Excel Brain Challenge, where you will solve real Excel questions just like professionals do in the workplace. Today's mission is simple. Think before you click. Let's see how many of you will be Excel genius. Challenge number 1. Carefully look at this formula and find the mistake. Time up, so option A is the correct answer. Let's verify it using a real Excel worksheet. Let's see an example. I have taken two range A and B. Let's apply some formula. First I will select range A and then I will put comma because in Excel a comma tells the sum function to include another range. Without the comma, Excel cannot understand that you are referring to two separate ranges. Let's move to the second challenge. This time don't calculate anything, just predict the output. Time up. So option C is the correct answer. Let's verify the answer in Excel. First write the text 45305, then apply text formula and select that cell. Put a comma and write a date format as mentioned in the question. Close the bracket and press enter. You will get the output. Again, you can use text formula and write the text inside the formula. Put comma and write same date format. Again, you will get the same output. Challenge number 3. In this, you have to find your colleague mistake. So check out the formulas carefully. You hit that right. Option D is the correct answer. Let's verify the answer in Excel. One by one, we will use all four formulas and let's check out which will show the error. In option A, you have to apply some formula and close the bracket and press enter. You will get the output. In option 2, you have to apply some formula but don't close the bracket. You will also get the same output. In option C, you have to apply max formula which will give you the highest value. In option D, you have to apply some formula but by mistake you have closed with two bracket. It will show the error. Challenge number 4. In this, you have to find the reason for the error. So option B is the correct answer. Let's check out the answer in Excel worksheet. I have taken 3 employees Raj, Manraj and Sukh and entered their salary. Let's apply the sum formula. When we take the total of 3, we will only get the total of 2. The first and second one. The third one is entered as text, so we have to convert into number. Then we will get the correct output. Challenge number 5. Read the question carefully and find out the answer. Time up, so option B is causing the problem because of apostrophe. Challenge number 6. Identify which chart is suitable to represent sales growth. Option B is the correct answer. Line chart is the best choice to represent sales growth. I have taken a monthly sales data, so let's represent it with a line chart. The shortcut key is Alt and N. You will get the line chart option. You can select as per your choice and you can represent your monthly data with a trend line and proper presentation. Challenge number 7. Identify the correct formula to calculate the average. Option A is the correct answer because all other 3 formulas do not exist. Challenge number 8. Identify your colleague mistake. Time up. Option C is the correct answer. So let's verify this answer in Excel. I have listed a sales value and you can see that some sales are totally blank or inactive. So let's apply average formula by selecting this whole range and let's see the outcome. I will select a range and press enter. It will give me an outcome. But if I use the average formula again and select the same range and to ignore the blank cell, I have added double quotation. It will give me an error. So the average formula automatically ignore the blank cell. Move toward the challenge number 9. Complete the formula. You have to fill the dash. Up option B is the correct answer. You just need to identify the greater than sign. Let's move to the last challenge. In this, you have to predict the outcome. Option A is the correct answer. So let's verify this in Excel. In cell A1, I have the value 100 and in B1, I have 50. So let's apply the same formula as per the question. This will give me the outcome like this because this symbol joined the text instead of adding it. If you enjoyed this brain challenge, don't forget to subscribe to Campus to Corporate.